Last night, President Obama told the nation he hopes the diplomatic option works in Syria in the crisis there, but he wants the option of a military strike if that fails. The president also says he knows Americans don't want another prolonged war. He promised not to put American boots on the ground. And this morning, we're speaking with local legislators in Washington to get their reaction on last night's speech.
Joining us on the phone now is Kansas Congressman Kevin Yoder. Thanks for joining us this morning, Congressman.
Yeah, thanks for having me on.
You've been an outspoken critic of strikes on Syria. Based on what the president said and kind of letting the diplomatic steps take their process, are you okay with that at this point?
Well, I certainly think a diplomatic approach is superior to attacking Syria. Since the very beginning, I believe that attacking Syria, dropping bombs on a country that's involved in the civil war, only makes the situation there worse, and it weakens the safety and security of the American people. So I hope that the diplomatic efforts will succeed. I think we're all very skeptical that Russia's motives are pure and that we can trust Russia and Syria in that process, but certainly am hopeful that might work.
What do you think the odds are that works, though? And if that fails, then what?
Well, I think that's the real question, and what I hope the president doesn't do is commit ourselves militarily if his negotiations don't work. I think even if he's unsuccessful, and I don't know that he'll be successful, I'm very skeptical. We have issues with Russia giving up their own chemical weapons and accounting for their own, so they don't have a real good track record of helping and being open in those situations. But if it doesn't succeed, I still don't believe that it is in the interest of the American people to get involved in another foreign war.
Real quick, Congressman, based on what you know and your colleagues, if this vote does get to the floor eventually, what happens?
I think if the vote were held today, I don't think it would pass. I think the president's going to have to make a better case to the American people. I'm hearing from lots of constituents that are opposed to it. I think most Americans do not want to see us get involved in a foreign war, and I believe that the U.S. House of Representatives will respond accordingly and would vote down a resolution to attack Syria at this time.
Representative Kevin Yoder, thanks for joining us this morning.
Great. Thanks for having me on.